This video is for educational purposes.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we have some exciting news for all the freshers out there looking for a great opportunity. Tata Motors is hiring for the Graduate Apprentice Trainee role, and if you are from any of these specializations, mechanical, automobile, electrical, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics engineering, EE, civil engineering or electronics engineering, this could be your chance. Job details. So, let's talk about the eligibility criteria first. If you are from the graduating batches of 2024 or 2025, this opportunity is for you. To be eligible, you need to have at least 60% in your 10th, 12th and engineering with no backlogs and a maximum of 2 years of educational gap. Now, let's talk about the extra benefits. Tata Motors is offering a monthly stipend of 25,000 Indian rupees, which is a pretty good start. Plus, you'll also get subsidized canteen and transport, and of course, insurance benefits as well. Hiring locations. The roles are open in Pune and Sanand, so depending on your location, you can apply for either of these. Role description. As a graduate apprentice trainee, you'll be working alongside experienced professionals. You'll gain exposure to manufacturing processes, product development, and some cutting-edge technologies. This is a hands-on role where you'll contribute to developing innovative automotive solutions. You will be allocated to different functions within Tata Motors, where you'll get practical experience in areas like production, maintenance, supply chain, management, quality control, and manufacturing planning. So you will get a full experience of how the automobile industry works, and it will definitely help you in becoming employable. So how do you apply? It's super simple. Just scroll down and you'll see a button that says sign in to apply. Click on that link, create an account and apply right away. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to comment below.